Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rolando and today I'm starting a new series called Tech on a Budget. And on this first episode, I'll be showcasing this affordable mini tripod from KamiSafe. And if you want to participate to win this tripod, make sure you stay to the end so I can show you how. The KamiSafe flexible tripod is a great accessory for vlogging, and it can be used with your smartphone and GoPro, and it comes in a box with a holding clip, a remote control that works with iOS and Android, and actually you can fit different sizes of phones like a 4.7, 6.1 and a 6.inch phone with or without a case. Also, we can compare this KamiSafe tripod with more expensive tripod like the Gorillapod. One great feature that this tripod provides is a quick release for easy dismounting and mounting of your cell phone or GoPro camera, and also provides a safety lock to avoid accidental presses of the quick release button. The holding clip is a really sturdy clip. It has a lot of pressure, so your phone is not gonna fall that easy, but the rubber mounts are a little bit skinny, so you have to be careful that your phone doesn't slide off of them. One thing that could have been done better was, instead of having a Phillips screw quarter thread mount, it could have been a flat screw like the Joby, so you can actually use even a quarter to tie up your mounting clip or your GoPro camera. The remote controller setup is really easy, but you only can set up one phone at a time. So you go to your Bluetooth settings, scroll down to your devices, and you're gonna see AB Charter 3. And once you see that AB Charter 3, you only have to tap, and once you tap it, it will pair it right away. Another thing that I noticed is that if you not have the camera open, it will actually press your volume up, so that's kind of like a problem. But if you have your photo app open, your camera app open, actually you can take pictures with no problems. Also, they recommend that you can download the Camera 360 app for use of the remote control with no problems. Overall, the KamiSafe flexible tripod is a good affordable accessory to have and easy to carry anywhere, but keep in mind that it's not designed for the weight of a DSLR camera or to be used to extreme sports, and more for vlogging. If you want to know more about this tripod, check the links in the description below, and I want to thank KamiSafe for providing me with this unit for review. Now, if you want to participate to win this KamiSafe flexible tripod, it's really easy. You just go and follow me on my Twitter, and make sure that you use the hashtag Tech on a Budget. And once you use that hashtag, you want to put after that why you would like to win this. So on Wednesday, I'll be picking up a winner, and if you follow me on Twitter, I'm gonna reach you back on Twitter telling you that you are actually the winner of this tripod. And guys, this is everything for this video. If you like it, make sure you leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content on my channel. And leave a comment below on which item or affordable item you would like to see on my next Tech on a Budget episode. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.